Take a moment to imagine the sky above you transformed into something truly extraordinary. No longer just a vast expanse of blue or a starry canvas at night, but a breathtaking display of massive, gleaming rings stretching across the heavens. These celestial bands would dominate our world, shimmering with icy whites, golden glows, and faint blues. From every corner of the globe, the rings would offer a constant reminder of the grandeur of the cosmos. But how would our lives change if Earth had rings like Saturn? Would they be a source of endless inspiration, or would they present unexpected challenges to life as we know it? In this video, we'll explore what Earth might look like with rings, how they could form, and the profound ways they could alter our skies, our culture, and even our environment. Prepare yourself for an awe-inspiring journey as we dive into this fascinating scenario. Ringed Earth that blurs the line between reality and a cosmic dreamscape. To understand how Earth could acquire rings, we need to delve into the science behind these stunning celestial phenomena. Rings around planets often form as a result of destruction, violent cosmic events that leave behind debris. Picture Earth billions of years ago, in the chaotic early days of the solar system. It was a time when massive collisions were common, with asteroids and moons frequently colliding with planets. Now imagine one of these events, a massive asteroid slamming into Earth or one of its ancient moons. The force of the impact could have shattered the moon into countless fragments, sending debris spiraling into orbit around our planet. Over time, this debris would spread out, flattening into a disk due to Earth's gravity and forming rings. There's another possibility, a moon venturing too close to Earth, crossing the Roche limit, the critical point where gravitational forces tear it apart. Such an event could create a cascade of material that would settle into rings. Unlike Saturn, which is farther from the Sun, Earth's closer proximity to our star could give its rings unique characteristics. Solar radiation might create vibrant contrast between icy and rocky material, giving Earth's rings a distinct, shimmering palette that would make them unlike anything we see in the solar system. Now let's imagine stepping outside and seeing Earth's rings. For those near the equator, the view would be nothing short of spectacular. A massive, glowing band stretching from horizon to horizon, its brilliance visible even during the brightest days. The rings would reflect sunlight, creating dazzling halos that cast faint shadows on the ground. At night, the sight would be even more magical. The rings, illuminated by moonlight, would glow softly, turning the sky into a celestial wonderland. They'd outshine the Milky Way and make constellations seem almost secondary in comparison. For people living closer to the poles, the perspective would be different but no less stunning. Instead of a flat band across the sky, the rings would appear as giant arches curving upward, creating the illusion of a cosmic gateway encircling the Earth. Seasonal changes would alter their appearance, with the sun's position casting shadows and highlighting different sections of the rings, making every day a unique visual experience. The colors of Earth's rings would also be remarkable. Unlike the mostly icy white rings of Saturn, Earth's rings might have streaks of gold, silver, and blue, thanks to their composition and the effect of sunlight. Can you imagine how they look at sunrise or sunset, glowing with fiery reds and oranges? It would be a sight to rival the most stunning natural wonders on Earth. But the impact of Earth's rings wouldn't stop at transforming the sky. They'd fundamentally shape human culture, history, and the way we perceive our world. For ancient civilizations, the rings would have been a source of endless fascination and mystery. Imagine looking up thousands of years ago without the knowledge of astronomy. How would early humans explain these massive, glowing bands? Myths, legends, and religions would likely revolve around the rings. They could be seen as celestial bridges to the heavens, symbols of divine protection, or even omens of fate. As civilizations advanced, the rings would play a crucial role in navigation and timekeeping. Their consistent position in the sky would provide a natural reference point, aiding explorers and astronomers alike. Entire scientific theories might have been developed earlier, inspired by the ring's presence. Art and architecture would also be transformed. From cave paintings to modern skyscrapers, the rings would become a central theme in human creativity. Imagine ancient temples aligned perfectly to frame the rings during solstices, or modern cities designed to maximize views of the celestial spectacle. The rings wouldn't just be a feature of the sky, they'd be a cornerstone of human identity. Now, let's consider the scientific and environmental consequences of Earth having rings. While their beauty would be undeniable, their presence would also bring challenges. For one, the rings would reflect sunlight back into space, potentially cooling parts of the planet. This effect, known as albedo, could create microclimates beneath the ring's shadows. Regions directly under the densest parts of the rings might experience colder temperatures and reduced sunlight, impacting ecosystems and agriculture. Satellites and space exploration would face entirely new obstacles. The constant movement of debris within the rings would create a hazardous environment for spacecraft, complicating missions and possibly delaying humanity's ventures into deep space. Communication satellites, GPS systems, and weather monitoring equipment would all need to be carefully positioned to avoid collisions with ring particles. And then there's the question of the ring's long-term stability. Earth's gravity, along with the gravitational influences of the moon and the sun, would gradually alter the ring's structure. Over millions of years, they might dissipate, merge into a new moon, or even fall to Earth as meteoric rain. Despite the challenges, Earth's rings would offer incredible opportunities for science, exploration, and even tourism. Imagine orbiting observatories where scientists could study the rings up close, or space hotels offering once-in-a-lifetime views of the celestial bands. Entire industries could emerge, from mining the rings for resources to building technology that interacts with their unique environment. And beyond the practical implications, the rings would inspire humanity like nothing else. They'd remind us of the cosmic forces that shape our world, of the fragility and beauty of life on Earth, and of the endless possibilities that exist beyond our atmosphere. Looking up at the rings, every person on the planet would share a sense of wonder and connection. They'd serve as a daily reminder that we're part of something much greater than ourselves. If Earth had rings like Saturn, our world would be forever changed. The rings would turn the sky into a masterpiece of light and shadow, inspiring awe and curiosity for generations. But their presence would also bring challenges, from altering climates to reshaping our approach to space exploration. While we may never see such a transformation in our lifetime, imagining a ringed Earth helps us appreciate the incredible balance of forces that make our planet what it is. So, what do you think? Would Earth be better with rings, or are our skies already perfect as they are? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow space enthusiasts. Until next time, keep looking up. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.